Welcome back. Packing Olivia's lunch again, and gonna grab some eggs and make like a egg salad without the mayo. I used to make this for Olivia when she was a baby all the time. She really enjoyed it. And I'm just gonna hard boil a few eggs here. Put them in cold water, bring it up to a boil, and once it boils, just pop a lid on that. Set a timer for 12 minutes. Perfectly hard boiled eggs every single time. Then once the timer's done, put them in an ice bath, cool them down so they're cool enough to handle, and then just crack them, peel the shells off. It should come off pretty easily. I add a drop of white vinegar to the water, and that helps the shell remove a little bit easier from the egg. So just cut that down the middle. That's perfect. Yolks are nice and yellow. It's not green, which indicates it's overcooked. I like to take out the yolks, put that in a bowl, and keep it separate from the white. And Olivia doesn't like mayo, so to replace the mayo, I use avocados. It's a good healthy fat, tastes good. So I'm just going to open this up and scoop out the avocado and mix that with the yolks. And then the extra I have, I'll just keep it to the side. Keep it for Sienna. She likes this stuff too. I'll give it to her for breakfast. So just mash up your avocado with the egg yolks. And then I'm going to take the whites and give them a rough chop and fold that in with the avocado and the egg yolks. Nice little avocado egg salad. Pinch of salt and then a little bit of squeeze of lemon. So where the acid will help the avocados from oxidizing. So when nothing turns brown, everything stays nice, vibrant green. So that's done. I'll show you a little trick. I pack it for Olivia's lunch so it's not as messy. Take a piece of bread, I spoon a good amount in the middle here, and make like a little uncrustable sandwich. I'll show you. I'll just fold over the bread like so. A little pocket, keep everything in there. And then I'll just take a ring, push it down. Everything stays nice. It's easy for her to eat, especially she doesn't have to make a mess at school. I'll put 2 of them in her lunchbox. Then I'll give her some more fresh fruit. Got some blueberries. Wash those, put them in the container. A little sweet animal crackers. Put those in. And some of these all natural fruit stacks, strawberry flavored. Tropical Tango drink. Put that in there. Pop this in the fridge. Olivia's lunch is ready to go.